am always looking for new ways to switch my hair up without damaging it, because you know, the healthy, curly, natural hair lifestyle is just something else, man. So here I am. My roommate had some extensions she didn't use, so I took them. She let me take them. Got my materials, my glue gun, my glue. Oh, I had to cut that bag in half because I didn't have the proper workspace to be hot gluing things, and I didn't want it to get stuck to anything. So I went ahead and I mapped out what I thought would be like a good area for me to put the hair. Let's insert that glue. Yes. All right, to work we go. So I had to take off the headband, and now knowing basically my blueprint where I was going to put things, had to throw my hair up because, you know, can't have hair in your face when you're trying to get things done. It just, something about, it's distracting. So anyways, I don't know if it's just me. I love the smell of hot glue. Super nice. So I went ahead and I detangled the extensions. Before attaching them, I started with the extension that had 4 combs. I think there were 2 of those. And I just started honestly with, as you can see, hot gluing the comb part area, and I was terrified, and I do mean terrified, to touch that area. Okay, look, we needed some assistance because I was not feeling the lighting. It was so booty. So I had to grab a charger. My phone was on like 5%. Had to refill the hot glue gun, and there we go, back to trying to glue on that first extension. Oh, and then I had to run back upstairs so I could get those teeny rubber bands, because I just thought it would make things a million times easier as I, you know, started to layer. As you can see, I also put on a tank because your girl's hot. So here we go, trying to continue to attach the first extension. I promise you guys, this was the longest process ever. After you get that first one on and you kind of realize that you're not gonna hurt yourself, well, hopefully you don't hurt yourself. I think this could honestly have the time that it took me to do this could have been cut in half. Nah, I could have taken the 4th of the amount of time it took me to do this, to actually create this. So just keep that in mind. So your girl almost has it. Mind you, this clip is sped up, I think. I don't know, but almost got it. Finally got it. Here we go, trying to put the last little part of it on, and I finally got it. I started to realize that I wasn't going to burn myself with the glue, and I began just pressing with my fingers. Now the glue does kind of get attached to the plastic bag underneath, but if you let it dry for a little bit, maybe like a minute or 2, and then you pull it off of the bag, it's not going to get stuck. So I continued to do each layer just like that, putting the rubber band on and then going ahead and hot gluing the area. I decided to start to hot glue the actual headband. It just seemed so much easier since I realized I wasn't going to get burnt. Oh, and then I grabbed some Pocky because your girl was hungry and I needed a break, a little, you know, snack time. And then I continued on my way. So it was essential that that I continued to build the layering straight up the middle, because obviously that's where you need the most coverage. When your hair is pushed to the back, you know, that's where it sits. So you just layer it up the middle like so. So my roommate came home after a long Thanksgiving weekend of us not seeing each other for like a week, and so we had to catch up. Here are a couple looks with the finished product. I decided to throw on a few more hats and scarves so you guys could see, you know, just different ways to wear it. I think it is super cute, super simple. You do not need to damage your hair to achieve this look. I'm obsessed. Honestly, if you're going somewhere quick like a grocery store or photo shoot, this is perfect. I really hope this helps somebody. Let me know in the comments.